Best 9 vitamins you need for optimal nerve health. Do you ever experience tingling sensations, numbness, or pain in your hands or feet? These symptoms could be signs of nerve damage or dysfunction. Nerve health is crucial for maintaining proper sensory and motor function throughout the body. Fortunately, there are vitamins that can support and optimize nerve health. In this video, we will explore 9 essential vitamins that play a vital role in promoting optimal nerve function. From vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve function, to vitamin D, which promotes nerve health and function. We will delve into how each vitamin contributes to maintaining healthy nerves. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only, and is no substitute for medical advice or care. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal nerve function. It is essential for the production of myelin, a protective coating that surrounds nerve fibers, and allows for efficient transmission of signals between the brain and the rest of the body. Without enough vitamin B12, nerve damage can occur, leading to symptoms such as tingling sensations, numbness, and muscle weakness. Additionally, vitamin B12 helps to regulate the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that facilitate communication between nerve cells. To ensure you are meeting your vitamin B12 needs, include sources such as fish, meat, dairy products, and fortified cereals in your diet. If you are at risk of deficiency, consider speaking to a healthcare professional about supplementation options. Vitamin D. When promoting nerve health and function, vitamin D plays a vital role in maintaining overall well-being. This essential vitamin functions as a hormone in the body and is crucial for the proper development and maintenance of healthy nerves. Vitamin D helps in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that facilitate communication between nerve cells. It also aids in the maintenance of myelin, a protective covering around nerve fibers that allows for efficient signaling. Additionally, vitamin D has been found to possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce nerve inflammation and promote healing. Deficiency in vitamin D has been linked to nerve damage and increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Therefore, ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin D through sunlight exposure, diet, or supplements is crucial for optimal nerve health. Vitamin E. Playing a crucial role in protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress, vitamin E is essential for maintaining the overall well-being of your nervous system. This powerful antioxidant helps to neutralize harmful free radicals that can cause damage to nerve cells and tissues. By doing so, vitamin E helps to prevent and reduce inflammation, which is a common cause of nerve damage. Additionally, vitamin E supports the production of myelin, the protective coating around nerve fibers, which helps to ensure efficient nerve signal transmission. A deficiency in vitamin E can lead to nerve damage, resulting in symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and muscle weakness. To ensure optimal nerve health, include vitamin E-rich foods in your diet, such as almonds, spinach, avocado, and sunflower seeds, or consider taking a vitamin E supplement under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Vitamin B6. Supporting efficient nerve communication, vitamin B6 is crucial for ensuring the smooth transmission of signals between nerve cells. This essential vitamin plays a key role in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that facilitate communication between nerve cells. By promoting the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, vitamin B6 helps regulate mood, sleep, and overall cognitive function. Additionally, vitamin B6 aids in the formation of myelin, a protective sheath that surrounds nerve fibers and enhances the speed and efficiency of nerve signal transmission. Furthermore, this vitamin has been shown to improve nerve function and reduce symptoms of neuropathy, a condition characterized by damage to the peripheral nerves. To ensure optimal nerve health, it is important to include foods rich in vitamin B6, such as fish, poultry, bananas, and fortified cereals, in your diet. Vitamin C. By incorporating vitamin C into your diet, you can harness its powerful anti-inflammatory properties and aid in the repair of damaged nerves. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in supporting nerve health. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting nerve cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Additionally, vitamin C reduces inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for nerve repair. Inflammation can contribute to nerve damage and hinder the healing process. Vitamin C promotes collagen synthesis, a protein necessary for the formation of connective tissues that support nerve cells. It also helps in the production of neurotransmitters, chemicals that allow nerve cells to communicate with each other. Including vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli in your diet can help support optimal nerve health and function. Vitamin B1. To protect your nerves from potential damage, it is crucial to incorporate vitamin B1 into your diet. Also known as thiamine, vitamin B1 is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy nervous system. It helps convert carbohydrates into energy, which is essential for nerve function. Vitamin B1 also helps prevent nerve damage by protecting the myelin sheath, a protective covering around nerves. Deficiency in vitamin B1 can lead to a condition called beriberi, which affects the nervous system, leading to symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and muscle weakness. Including sources of vitamin B1 in your diet, such as whole grains, legumes, nuts, and lean meats, can help maintain optimal nerve health and prevent nerve damage. Vitamin B9. Adding foods rich in vitamin B9, like leafy greens and citrus fruits, to your diet is essential for promoting nerve cell growth and repair. Vitamin B9, also known as folate, plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal nerve health. It is involved in the synthesis and repair of DNA, which is vital for the growth and development of nerve cells. Furthermore, vitamin B9 helps in the production of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that allow nerve cells to communicate with each other. A deficiency in vitamin B9 can lead to impaired nerve function and even nerve damage. Therefore, it is important to include sources of vitamin B9 in your daily meals to support nerve cell growth and repair, ensuring optimal nerve health. A deficiency in vitamin B9 can lead to impaired nerve function and even nerve damage. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, is a game changer for improving nerve function and reducing pain. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in converting food into energy, supporting the production of various enzymes that are essential for nerve function. Niacin helps maintain the health of the nervous system by promoting the production of myelin, a protective covering that surrounds nerve fibers. This protective layer ensures efficient nerve signal transmission and prevents damage to the nerves. Additionally, niacin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce pain associated with nerve damage or inflammation. Including niacin-rich foods in your diet, such as fish, poultry, peanuts, and whole grains, or taking niacin supplements, can help support optimal nerve health and alleviate discomfort. Vitamin B5. Boost your nerve metabolism and energy production by incorporating vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, into your daily routine. This essential vitamin plays a crucial role in supporting the health of your nervous system. It is involved in the production of coenzyme A, which is necessary for the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. By aiding in the breakdown of these nutrients, vitamin B5 ensures that your nerves receive the energy they need to function optimally. Additionally, pantothenic acid helps in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, chemicals that facilitate communication between nerve cells. This further enhances nerve function and promotes overall nerve health. To ensure you are getting enough vitamin B5, include food sources like meat, eggs, avocados, and whole grains in your diet, or consider taking a supplement under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Frequently asked questions. Can taking vitamin supplements alone improve nerve health, or is it necessary to also make lifestyle changes? Taking vitamin supplements alone may provide some benefits for nerve health, but it is crucial to make lifestyle changes as well. These changes can include a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and avoiding harmful substances like alcohol and tobacco. Are there any potential side effects or risks associated with taking high doses of these vitamins? Yes, there can be potential side effects and risks associated with taking high doses of vitamins. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before increasing your intake to avoid any adverse effects. How long does it typically take to see improvements in nerve health after starting a vitamin regimen? Improvements in nerve health after starting a vitamin regimen vary, but it can take several weeks to months. Consistency and proper dosage are important for optimal results. Are there any specific foods that are particularly rich in these vitamins? Yes, there are specific foods rich in vitamins essential for nerve health. Examples include leafy greens like spinach, nuts and seeds, fish like salmon, and fruits like oranges and strawberries. Can these vitamins help with specific conditions or symptoms such as neuropathy or nerve pain? Yes, these vitamins can help with specific conditions like neuropathy or nerve pain. They play a crucial role in nerve function and can alleviate symptoms by promoting nerve regeneration and reducing inflammation. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more healthful tactics videos.